Hello lovely people, welcome, and in today's video I will be showing you steps on how to hand sew a button onto fabric. So let's get into the video. First step is making a knot to create a solid foundation for your button. Some prefer creating a knot on the end of the thread strand before sewing, but I found this method much more convenient for me. Okay, so you want to take your needle into the threads, picking up approximately 3 threads, bringing it out and through the threads, which forms a loop. You want to take your needle and insert it through the loop. Pull your needle all the way until the loop forms into a tie. And you want to repeat this step to form a full knot. Take your button and insert your needle into the buttonhole with the button facing right side up. Then you want to insert your needle into the opposite side of the buttonhole and fabric. I chose to use the vertical side because I feel like it is much more easier for me than the horizontal, but whichever you prefer. From the wrong side fabric, insert the needle into the fabric parallel to the first hole insertion. Again, you want to insert the needle into the opposite hole and into the wrong side of the fabric, and then you want to repeat this step 2 more times, and then we will go on to the next set of buttonholes. My opposite side is horizontal, so I will insert my needle parallel to the access thread from the right side, through the fabric out on the right side. You should see the needle, pull through, and repeat the steps that we used for the first 2 buttonholes. Bring the needle into the opposite hole without inserting into fabric. After that, next you're going to form a loose circle around the button, which will form a loop. Insert the needle into the loop and pull all the way until it forms a tie. Repeat this step again to create a knot. After the knot is created, insert the needle into the fabric with the needle resulting on the wrong side of the fabric. Then create a knot, which we did in the beginning. The first step, you can repeat that. after you created a knot. Lose the fabric. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Lose the needle thread by inserting it into and out of the fabric thread, picking up approximately 3 threads. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you find it very, very helpful to your skill needs and would like to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And I will see you guys until next time. Bye-bye.